It started as a middle-of-the-day traffic stop on a Texas highway under construction. Deputy Chris Deasy may not have been expecting any trouble. After all, the driver was an elderly woman, 72-year-old Catherine Wingfine.
72-year-old woman.
The deputy tried to get Wingfine to sign a ticket, agreeing that she'd show up for court. And when she refused, he opened the door to arrest her. She would have none of it.
Give me the thing, I'll sign it. Give it to me and I'll sign it. Oh, you're going to shove me? You're going to shove a 72-year-old woman?
Authorities say that shove was to get both of them off the busy highway. After the deputy has heard warning her several times, she issued a challenge.
Step back and you're going to be tased.
As minutes pass, the standoff continues.
I'm getting back in my car.
You're going to be tased. Stop.
I'm getting back in my car.
And then the officer made good on his promise.
Tase him. You're on jail. You're on jail. Now put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.